Welcome to Vegan Dose. If you're curious about veganism, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 10 most asked questions about veganism. Whether you're considering a plant-based lifestyle or just looking to understand more, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more informative content. 1. What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Vegans focus on plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. This diet is not only about what you exclude, but also about embracing a variety of nutrient-rich, plant-based foods. 2. Why do people choose to go vegan? People choose veganism for various reasons. Animal rights, environmental concerns, and health benefits are the primary motivators. Ethical vegans oppose the use of animals for food, clothing, or other purposes. Environmental vegans aim to reduce their carbon footprint, and health-conscious vegans seek the numerous health benefits associated with a plant-based diet. 3. Is a vegan diet healthy? Yes, a well-planned vegan diet can be extremely healthy. It's associated with lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Vegan diets are typically high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, while being lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. However, it's important to ensure you're getting all necessary nutrients, such as vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Where do vegans get their protein? Vegans can get their protein from a variety of plant-based sources, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, seitan, chickpeas, quinoa, nuts, and seeds. Many vegetables and grains also contain protein. It's important to eat a variety of these foods to ensure you're meeting your protein needs. 5. What are some common vegan myths? One common myth is that vegans don't get enough protein. As mentioned, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources. Another myth is that a vegan diet is inherently expensive, but with proper planning, it can be quite affordable. Lastly, some believe that veganism is automatically healthy, but it's essential to focus on whole foods rather than processed vegan junk food. 6. How do you handle cravings for non-vegan foods? Handling cravings can be challenging, especially when transitioning. Finding vegan alternatives to your favorite non-vegan foods can help. There are vegan versions of almost everything, from burgers to cheese. Additionally, focusing on nutrient-dense, satisfying meals can reduce cravings. Don't forget to like this video if you find these tips helpful. 7. What are some easy vegan meal ideas? For breakfast, try oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts, or a smoothie packed with greens, fruits, and plant-based protein. Lunch could be a hearty salad with quinoa, beans, and a variety of veggies. Dinner options include stir-fries, pasta with marinara sauce, and vegetables, or a vegan curry with rice. Snacks can be fruits, nuts, or hummus with veggies. 8. How do you eat out as a vegan? Eating out as a vegan can be easy with a little preparation. Many restaurants now offer vegan options, and you can often customize dishes to be vegan. Checking the menu online beforehand and calling the restaurant to inquire about vegan options can make dining out stress-free. Don't hesitate to ask servers about ingredients and request modifications. 9. Can kids and pregnant women follow a vegan diet? Yes, children and pregnant women can follow a vegan diet, but it's important to plan carefully. Ensuring they get all the necessary nutrients is crucial. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian who understands vegan nutrition can help ensure a balanced diet that supports healthy growth and development. 10. How can I transition to a vegan diet? Transitioning to a vegan diet can be done gradually or all at once, depending on your preference. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and gradually replacing animal products. Educate yourself about vegan nutrition, experiment with new recipes, and connect with the vegan community for support. Remember, every step towards veganism is a positive one for your health, the animals, and the planet. I hope these answers help you on your vegan journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more tips, recipes, and vegan lifestyle content. Thanks for watching.